Good morning this Wednesday the 12th of May. I'm Paulina Peters, a market analyst at Bell Direct. While all three US benchmarks fell overnight, the Dow experienced its worst day since February, down 1.36%, and the S&P 500 and Nasdaq both fell 0.87% and 0.09% respectively. The volatility index, a measure of fear in the markets, jumped as high as 23.73, which is a level we haven't seen in 2 months. The US stock futures are flat after the Dow's poor performance, and all eyes are on April consumer inflation data, which is expected to show the biggest year-on-year gain in nearly a decade. In terms of what to watch locally, the Aussie share market is set to follow Wall Street's lead, with the future suggesting the market will open down 0.64% or 45 points. Last night, the federal government unveiled its 2021-2022 recovery budget. There are 3 key considerations for ASX investors and companies. Firstly, $15.2 billion in additional spending will go to infrastructure projects, so keep an eye on companies like Lendlease Group, LLC, and Cimic Group, CIM. Secondly, $18 billion in additional funding will go to the aged care system, so maybe keep an eye on companies like Regis Healthcare, REG, Estia Health, EHE, Japara Healthcare, JHC, and PainChek, PCK. Finally, $1.9 billion will go to defence and intelligence companies, so maybe keep an eye on companies like Austal, ASB, Appen, APX, and BrainChip, BRN. In terms of company results to keep an eye on today, will CBA, Pushpay Holdings, AusNet, AST, and CSR. AGMs today include Sigma Healthcare, SIG, Smart Group Corporation, SIQ, Telex Pharmaceuticals, and Unibail-Rodamco Westfield. Also keep an eye on the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients yesterday. There were 3 of the big banks: Westpac, National Australia Bank, and ANZ. Moving to commodities, the oil price lifted about 0.9% on nagging fears of fuel shortages, and the gold price slipped as rising US yields dim appeal. And copper was up 1.5%. And to end on some trading ideas for your consideration, Bell Potter have maintained their buy recommendation on AMA Group, AMA. However, have decreased its price target by 18%, which is a 41% premium to the share price. Bell Potter believe that increased shipping costs have led to higher than usual parts inflation, and expect this increased cost will be borne by AMA at least in the short term. However, Bell Potter continues to be positive on the stock, as they believe the operating performance will eventually improve significantly, although it is taking longer than they originally expected. Also, Bell Potter have upgraded their recommendation on Eagers Automotive, APE, from a hold to a buy, and have increased its price target to $17.50. This follows another strong month for new vehicle sales in April, which was released in early May. To end, Harvey Norman, HVN, Adasel Technologies, ADA, and Capral, CAA, are all showing bullish charting signals according to Trading Central. And that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day and happy trading.